Hey everybody, Taylor back again. Just took this second entry long right here. I want to see if we can get a triple test. And bar's not good enough, so let's see if it happens on the next bar. You can see we had this micro move up, and now it looks like we've kind of folded over into this little small spike in channel. So if this can break below and create a signal bar in and of itself, I may be interested in taking this to the long side. EMA showing pretty firm support here. You can see the overall picture as well. So let's see. We do break below, so if we get a good signal bar here, I can consider this long. You can see it's tested it once here, tested it twice. This will be the third time. The main thing is that we're in an uptrend and the EMA is acting as support. So, but this is a lower low than this one, so we're going to need a really good bar here to justify this. Let's see if we get a good bar. Ooh, and last second. Perfect bar at the last second. You can see this EMA is just acting as firm support. ATR is down to 8. It really got a little bit lower during this move here. I'm actually only going to go for 6. I want to get out before this high here. I just went for 8 on this last trade here, but we had more room to the highs. This one is right at the highs. So let's see here. We're at 5. And there we go. We got out for 6. And let's see. Maybe this thing will print too. This is a hard EMA mode. You can see here we turn off the EMA. Here we turn off the EMA. Couldn't even get back to it here. And we got the perfect bar here. And this is a break now, the spike in channel, but we could be headed a lot higher given the larger picture here. Hopefully our runner can survive. There's been some really good setups today, signal bar wise. You had this second entry long, you had this triple test, and then earlier in the day, I uploaded this trade as well. It's failed second entry short, and sort of like a breakout pullback. So really good setups today. Let's see if this runner can survive. Already got 2 videos I'm going to upload today, so this one may get uploaded on Wednesday to give you guys something to watch. I hope I have to sit here and ramble on forever, because that means I've got a runner going. So let's see. We survived it by a tick here. And this little red spiking channel clearly has a break a new high now too. So there's a good chance we come back here. It looks like it's losing steam. We're not able to get to the highs of this spiking channel. There could be like some smaller trend in here. Something like this, and it looks like we may be at the highs of that channel as well. It's a little sloppy. It doesn't fit extremely well, but this could be valid. Like this. Actually, I'll draw that on here. Yeah. It looks like we would have gotten the full 8 ticks, but in my opinion, just given the more local price action playing out, just worth getting the full 6 out of it. I'm just going to give this one some room. I'm not going to trail this for a second. Just because it is kind of choppy, so it may get us right in here. So I'll give it the full amount of room until we really make a nice push. And if this trend right here that I just drew is valid, then we could turn now because we are right at the highs of it. But we're bullish, so there's really no telling. We could just flush straight up. And if we wanted to get a measure move off of this this little channel here, that puts us at about an 8-point runner. A lot to look at, so I'm going to delete this channel just so you can see it a little better. And normally I'd probably trail this one to right here. And that'd be 6 ticks, but I just want to give this one a little more room. Obviously, the first trade I uploaded today, I regretted trailing so tight because I trailed and got hit here for about 7 points, and if I just gave it a couple more ticks, I mean, I probably would have trailed up through here and got hit, but it would have been double just for waiting a few more seconds. So, don't want to make that same mistake on such a bullish day. Plus, I've got the target I want today, P&L wise, so we can give this one a little more room. See if we can really get something nice out of it. Yeah, and so this would be 8 points if I wanted to get out right before this measured move right here, but we'll see. Inside now, it's really starting to push. It's chopping higher. It's not. It's obviously pushing higher, but it's not showing a continuous strength. So kind of just floating up here now. So we could come back to the EMA. So I may trail it now since we've gotten a couple points of room. I'll let this bar finish. Hopefully this isn't the bar that comes back and takes it all back. Looks like it may be. Let's see. Looks like it may have roped in some top pickers. And it closes on its low. That's a tough one. I don't want to trail that and just get hit immediately. I'll tell you what, I'm going to trail this bullish bar here that formed a couple bars ago. That way we lock in a little over 2 points at least. I'll be happy with that. Hopefully we can just survive it and push straight up to this measured move. And if you drew a little micro trend here, it does look like it may be in play. Of course, this looks like the first break of it, so see if we can survive. It looks like it may, but we're just so far from the EMA, there's still a good chance it comes back. It looks like they may get us. Yeah, they're going to get us here. Oh well. Locked in a little bit more than the full scalp on it, so I hope you guys enjoyed that triple test and bullish bar in a hard EMA environment. So thanks, and y'all have a good one.